Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to do human body detection using the vision framework for React Native's new architecture for iOS. So let's get started. So here you can see I'm running my output on a real device. You will have to run it on a real device. This won't work on a simulator. And for my image it was able to draw the bounding box on the human body it has detected. Now we can't use the the React Native's image view. We have to use the UI image view from iOS side. So for that we have to write a Fabric native component because I'm using the new architecture. Also you will have to open this particular documentation because I will be copying a lot of code from this documentation. So I have rerun my app for a different image which I will show you shortly. But just open your React Native application, and here is my React Native application. Firstly, once it has been initialized, you will have to cd to this iOS directory which we have, and then run this particular command. So this will do pod install, enable the new architecture for iOS. Then you will have to create this folder called rtn my image view. Inside that, create a package.json file. Now I have copy pasted this from docs. Only this name has been changed, this name has been changed, and this name has been changed. Then I have created a pod spec file. Again I have copy pasted it from docs, and only this name has been changed. Then I have created a JS folder. Inside that I have created a TypeScript file. Again I have copy pasted it from docs. I have removed the props, and here you can see I have added this rtn my image view. So this name has been changed. So quickly, here is the output for the second image as well, and I will show it for one more image. So I'll just change this and rerun my application. So yeah, till here everything is fine. Now the documentation says that create an iOS folder inside this folder. We can't do that because we need to write the code inside the main iOS folder which you see, and we want to write Swift code, that's why. Then again you will have to open your terminal, go to the root of your React Native project, and firstly you will have to run this particular command. Once you do that, you will have to do cd ... It will move you outside your React Native project, and then you will have to run this particular command. But here, instead of rnapp human body detection, you will have to write your own project name. As you can see, my project name is rnapp human body detection. So change it over here, as well as over here. And once you do that, again you will have to cd to the main iOS folder which we have, and then run this particular command. So this will do code generation for the rtn my image view folder which we have created. Once that is done, so here is the third output as well. So here you can see there are a lot of people, and I was able to draw the bounding box on each one of them. Anyways, so firstly, to use it you can import this something like this and use it something like this. Now my VS Code is not playing nicely, that's why you are getting this error. But yeah, this is how you can use it. Now you will have to open the XC workspace of iOS folder inside Xcode. I have already done that. Then you will have to go to your project, and here you will have to select iOS, and here you will have to change the deployment target to at least iOS 15. So I have changed it over here. Then you will have to go to the images folder, and here I have added a few images, as you can see. Then again, coming back to our documentation, so firstly we'll have to create an header file. Again I have copy pasted this from docs, only this name has been changed. Then you will have to create an Objective-C file. The documentation says that change the extension to .mm, so it is Objective-C++. And again I have copy pasted this from docs, only this name, this, and this name has been changed. Then again create an Objective-C file, change the extension to .mm, and here we are importing our header file. This has been copied from docs, and only this names has been changed everywhere. This is my project name, so change it to your own project name. The documentation says use this import. We can't use it because we are writing the code inside the main iOS folder, that's why we have to use this import. Again I have copy pasted this from the docs as well, so only this name, this, and has been changed. This is our Swift file which I will show you shortly. Again I have just copy pasted this entire thing from docs, and only this and this has been changed. Here we initialize our view, initialize our image view as well, and add it to our parent view. Again this entire thing has been copied from docs, and only this and this name has been changed. Then create a Swift file. Xcode will ask, do you want to create a bridging header? Click yes. And here, as you can see, I have imported vision and as well as UI kit. We are creating our image view as well as our UI image. Then we initialize our UI image view, do some NS layout constraints to it. Then we initialize our UI image, pass our image name. You will have to change it to your own image name, assign it to our image view. Then we get the CG image and pass it to this particular method. This is boilerplate code which you have to write. And here you can see we are using this vn detect human rectangle request, passing in our completion handler. and here we just do vn human observation, and here we just do async do this on the main thread. And here you can see I have done the upper body as false. The upper body is true only, so if you only want to detect the upper body, you can make this as true. I'll make this as true. I'll rerun my application just to show you guys the output again, but most of you might be interested in detecting the whole body. So here you can see again vn image request handler, and on the background thread I'm performing a request, and once the detection has been happened, this is how we draw the bounding box. Now I have copy pasted this code from the documentation, so I'll simply scroll through this. You can do the same, or you can ask ChatGPT to explain it to you, because even I don't really understand it. So yeah, that's it. Okay, so hopefully the output is ready. I will change this back to false again. Okay, and here you can, hopefully you should be able to see it now. So here you can see we are only detecting the upper body. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.